You really have to have good footwear here. The rocks are slippery. Slippery is slippery. It's about the best way to explain it. Hey, good morning, everybody. Eli here with Getting Lost with Eli. I am here at Ricketts Glen State Park, and I'm going to be hiking the Falls Trail today. Parking just off of Route 118 highway here in Pennsylvania. The loop today is going to be just roughly 7.5 miles, maybe 7.2 miles. So it's going to be a slog. Up and down very rocky terrain, one side of one waterfall valley and down the other side. It's gonna be quite a bit, so stay with me. We're gonna see a whole lot of waterfalls, and I'm not talking little dinky ones. I'm talking some big monster waterfalls. Today with me, I've got my Ace Camp aluminum hiking staff. So I've got one of these. This comes as a pair, but I only brought one of them today. I'm giving this a try. And for water, I've also got my Be Free 1 liter bottle. So this is fresh water from home, but there's plenty of water in this whole area. So I'll be able to simply get fresh water out of the streams or from the edges of the waterfall, and I'll have plenty of water to drink. This way I don't have to worry about boiling water or drops or tablets or anything like that. I can just take it and go. All right, so it's 8:30. We're walking into the woods right now, and we're gonna have a good hike. Seen deer here before, but never that close. Normally they're up in the woods or staying away from the trail, but that was the closest I've come to a deer on this trail. This is the first set of falls on this lower side. This is Murray Reynolds Fall, and it cuts down through these rocks beautifully. You almost have to see it to even believe how it can cut. Hi folks, Eli here. Well, we've made a couple of miles into a place called Waters Meet. It's where both sections of the valley here, these glens, come together. And nice little area, has a nice little bridge here that you can cross. And it's already hot and muggy out here. I'm already sweating like crazy. But still enough water in the creeks for some decent waterfalls, as you saw here just a little bit ago. But yeah, it's fairly dry. We haven't had a ton of rain. We get some rain and it falls heavy, but we don't get a lot of it right now. So, I mean, we're at the beginning of July, so that's going to happen. So, well, I'm going to head up this right-hand side of the glen and get into, about 10 or so waterfalls, and you'll see that here right now. Folks, this is Midway Crevasse. This is right about halfway across the Highland Trail and is made of all these huge boulders, this outcropping of rock that cuts across this trail, but the trail finds its way between some of these rocks. Hi folks. Well, kind of weird lighting through here. I'm in the forest. So on the other side, made it all the way through the Highland Trail and getting ready to go down the other side here. And this is going to be some gnarly hiking, real steep and rocky and wet. So this is going to be fun. We're going to get down some epic waterfalls. Let's go. Have to have good footwear here. The rocks are slippery. Slippery is slippery. It's about the best way to explain it. Well, my pole is gone. The bottom section, I don't know if it gave way or if I hit an opening between rocks, but the strap had come undone. And I don't know how. It just apparently came undone and the whole pole went around. It was like it jumped off the waterfall, the edge. It's gone. There was no way of getting it back. So it became a casualty here of the Falls Trail here at Ricketts Glen. I got one more at home, which is good. But so yeah, I'll give you a little bit more of a rundown on the pole. It worked great. The spring-loaded pole was great. Seemed to really work well. But in the end, it either gave way or I hit an opening. And the strap was loose and it came off. I could see the strap dangling on a branch and the pole down below. So, oh well. We're going down some of the steepest part without a pole. Love it. So there's no question it's hot out here. It's muggy out here. I'm completely soaked. I keep dunking my head in the water, trying to get a little relief on the head. I'm wearing my chest pack here, as you can see, and I've got my Manfrotto tripod on. I like a chest pack. It feels good, it wears nice. Sometimes a backpack is hotter. The problem is looking down at the steps. So this is my view. So when I go to step down, I have to look really far forward because those rocks I can't see normally because my chest pack sticks out a couple of inches from my chest. So this is about what I see from my shirt and forward. So yeah, that's one of the challenging things about a chest pack when you're going downhill, even uphill, is the view. You know, you gotta look far ahead. If you don't, you're gonna make a mistake. And this is one of those trails you don't want to make a mistake on. Well, hey everybody, that is almost a wrap. Almost done with the whole trail. And according to my Fitbit, I've gone over 8.2 miles. I don't know how accurate that is. I'll have to check my tracker that's on my phone, my Samsung Health tracker. But yeah, great path, great trail. If you ever get a chance to come to north central and northeastern Pennsylvania, Ricketts Glen State Park. It's just off of 118 and very easy to get to, very easy to park at. There's camping. There is a beach on the lake, Lake Jean. Swam there and had my kids there many times. So yeah, if you get a chance, come on out. It's a great place to be. Like I said, easy to get to. It's fun. Well, hey guys, I'm done. The parking lot is just up over the ridge there, and as you can see, I've got the entire map, all the trail done. So I'm pretty stoked. I haven't done this in about a year, but I love getting out here and hiking. If you can get a chance to hike this, do it. You're gonna enjoy the trail, and make sure you bring good shoes. There's so many people that hike here with sandals and flip-flops. Please don't do that. It's just too slippery and too uneven of ground to worry about flip-flops and sandals. So good shoes, lots of water, and have some fun. Enjoy it. So I'm gonna head to the car, grab some more actual fresh water that I brought with me, and cool off and get home for a much needed shower and some lunch. Thanks again for coming along. This is Eli with Getting Lost with Eli. I got lost. It was fun. Why don't you get lost? Have a good one. Thanks again for coming along. Take care.